Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how this top 10 strongest dogs video generated over $150,000 in YouTube ad revenue. But the most important part of this video is I'm going to be showing you how anyone, anywhere, even if you have 0 subscribers and 0 experience, can do exactly the same thing without ever needing to film a single second of video. So make sure you stick around to the end because this is going to be a good one. Hey guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different to what I usually put out on the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Wane and the focus of this channel is predominantly been around how to run a successful dropshipping business. But with the current climate, people have been reaching out to me asking for different ways to make money from home. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $100 or more per day by using YouTube. The examples I'm going to give in this video right now, these people are making far more than $100 per day. So the method I'm talking about is taking videos that we are allowed to use and re-uploading them back onto YouTube. Don't worry, this is 100% legitimate. I know there's issues with copyright, but this method allows you to use something called Creative Commons. And what Creative Commons is a license that allows you to reuse footage that other people have recorded, as long as you also tag that footage with Creative Commons. Now I know a lot of people don't have a camera and a lot of people don't like being on camera, so this method allows you to earn money on YouTube without ever having to step foot in front of a camera yourself. A lot of people think you're not allowed to use YouTube videos because of copyright claims, and this for the most part is true, but with the license called Creative Commons, you're actually allowed to reuse footage that has been tagged with Creative Commons and use it in anything else you want to use it for. The only caveat is you have to mark that video as a Creative Commons video as well, which is very, very simple to do within YouTube. The best thing about this entire method is that it's incredibly easy to find these Creative Commons videos on YouTube. So don't skip any of this video, because if you miss any of these critical steps, this isn't going to work for you and you could probably get in a lot of trouble as well. And if you do it right, you could have videos like this that's going to generate you over $150,000. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to prove it to you in just a few minutes. So I've just typed into here strongest dogs, and as you can see straight away, I've got all these videos here. We've got top 10 strongest dogs in the world. We've got 10 biggest guard dogs in the world, top 10 strongest dogs in the world, world's largest and dangerous dogs by breed, top 5 dogs. You know, there's all sorts of videos here that you can use to create your own top 10 video and actually re-upload it back onto YouTube. And as you can see here, this top one here has got 38 million views on this video. So you might be thinking, well, okay, it's got 38 million views, but how is it actually making its money? So as you're probably aware, many videos on YouTube start with ads and they have ads in the mid-roll, and you basically have to watch a 5-second ad to carry on watching the video. And every time that happens, the video creator earns money every time you watch those ads. Now, according to the Influencer Marketing Hub, the average CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 impressions, is $7.60. So for every 1,000 views, you get $7.60. But Google actually keeps 45% of this advertising revenue. So you only receive 55% of every dollar that gets paid to the advertisers. So that means for every $7.60 on average that advertisers are being paid, you're actually going to receive $4.18 per 1,000 views. So if you do a little bit of math on that, for every 1 million views, that means you're going to earn $4,180 on average. But that's only an average. You know, $7.60 is an average across a bunch of different niches and a bunch of different industries. To put that in perspective, my CPM for my channel, the very channel you're watching right now, is on average around $50 per 1,000 views. That's what my channel generates. Because of the type of content I've got on the channel, there is more competition to put ads on my videos. So therefore, the advertisers pay more to make you guys see ads on my videos, when that means I earn more because I'm putting those videos out there. So it can fluctuate wildly, but the average across all industries is $7.60. So if we just take the average CPM across YouTube and take off Google's cut, because they take a big chunk of it, that leaves you with $4.18 per 1,000 views. So per 1 million views, it's $4,180. So if we use the average CPM for this top 10 strongest dogs video, you can see that 4,180 per million times by the 38 million that they've got. That means that this video has generated, on average, $158,840 just from that one top 10 strongest dogs video. So now you're probably thinking, okay, great, but how do I know which videos I can actually use to make this kind of money? That's a great question. So the way we do that is we filter the videos that are available on YouTube by something called Creative Commons. And what you can do is, so let's just say I was doing top 10. I was looking for top 10 videos and I was searching for top 10. You can click on filter, and then you can click the button that says Creative Commons. So we click Creative Commons there. We can now see that we've got top 10 most expensive cars in the world. We've got 1.9 million views on that. Top 10 best survival movies, we've got 3.6 million. Like, you can start to look through these and use these videos because you filtered it by Creative Commons. So when you're typing and when you're searching within YouTube, just always make sure this is switched on before you start to take the video. But this will allow you to use that video and use that footage to create your own videos and re-upload them back into YouTube. Then once you have a few videos that you're allowed to use, they've got Creative Commons licenses, you're allowed to download them, get them downloaded, get them edited, and sort of mix them back together to create your own top 10 video. If you don't know how to download YouTube videos, just go into Google, type in how to download YouTube videos, and there's a bunch of free links on there that'll allow you just to paste the URL of the YouTube video in, and it'll download it to your computer. Once you have them downloaded, you can then use a free video editor like iMovie or Windows Movie Maker, if that's still a thing, and actually just chop and change those clips around. Maybe you don't like the order the top 10 videos are in, just change them around a little bit and make them into your own video. Once you've done that, re-upload it back into YouTube, add a really nice thumbnail onto it, change the actual video title, and you're good to go. So what are the most profitable topics to cover? You know, you could make loads of top 10 videos, top 5 videos, top 3 videos, you know, there's loads of them you can do, but what kind of topics should you be covering? Remember, it doesn't really matter in a sense. You don't need any subscribers, you don't need any experience with this. All you need is one video to go viral with the YouTube algorithm, and you could be making thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. And the best part about it is completely free to do. You don't need any skills and any experience. You're using other people's footage that you're allowed to use. And it's a crazy good option to start making money from home. These people aren't creating these top 10 videos because they enjoy creating top 10 videos. They're creating them because YouTube are paying them thousands of dollars just to have these videos on the platform. So what are the topics to cover? Well, you just need to think about what topics people are interested in. Things like fitness, conspiracy theories, dogs, cats, sports, gaming. All these types of topics are great topics to be looking at when you're searching under the Creative Commons license. Remember, this isn't shady at all. You're allowed to do this. YouTube is completely okay with you re-uploading Creative Commons license footage. It's completely legit. There's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. And you know, the amount of money that is potentially there if you catch a video on the YouTube algorithm is untrue, and it's definitely worth giving a go. So let's summarize how we do this. Step 1, search for a video on YouTube that has a Creative Commons license. Step 2, download those videos to your PC so you can start editing them in a free editing software. Step 3, mix up all the content and create your own variation of those top 10 videos. Step 4, re-upload that video back onto YouTube with your own thumbnail and a brand new video title. All you really need to do with this is make a better version of what is already available. You don't need to get in front of the camera, you don't need to plan your own videos, you don't even have to travel anywhere. You can do it all in your pajamas, on your sofa, with just a laptop. Now, your first video might not work. It might not hit the YouTube algorithm, it might not really go viral, and that's fine, you know, that is pretty normal. But if you keep doing it and you keep consistently uploading new videos, one of them will catch, and you know, that's the easiest way to make thousands of dollars every single day. There are loads of people out there doing this. You know, just by going on Creative Commons and filtering that down and having a look yourself, you will see that there are tons of accounts doing this. And the reason they are doing it is because it works. People are making thousands of dollars every single day by doing this. Now, you don't even need to get a video that does 38 million views. You know, if you get a video that only does a few 100,000 or even just 1 million views, you can still be making a decent amount of money. You know, it's very easy to make $100 a day doing something as simple as this. So yeah, don't be one of those 99% that don't take opportunities when they're presented to them. Be the 1% that takes that chance, takes that risk, and actually tries to do something to better their lives. You know, we're all kind of in this weird place in the world right now when we're in lockdown, so you have plenty of time to look at this and even just try it out. It doesn't take a lot of effort. You can be doing it while you're watching TV. You know, just really just use this opportunity to try and better your life and earn a bit of extra cash where you can. So there you have it. That's the easiest way to make $100 a day or more with YouTube without ever having to film anything yourself. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please drop me a like on the video. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. It really helps this channel and this video grow. We're in a really strange sort of time right now in the current climate, and you know, if we get more people watching this video, it's going to help a lot of people out earning that extra bit of cash each month. So please drop a like on this video. You're going to really help everybody out. If you have any questions about this at all, just drop them in the comments box down below. I am still answering everything that gets asked. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy this content, please hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate all the support that you guys give. But yeah, I think that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one.